the clouds were delayed getting here, which would have acted like a blanket, so to speak. We're really cold. Last hour we were 10. The record's 9.
Wow.
So incredibly cold out there this morning. And it takes you back in time to maybe 2005. Remember, we had that ½ inch of snow. Well, we were really cold leading up to that, right? Similar situation. So the flakes that fall later today, the first flakes that fall will be sticking to the roads. So do keep that in mind. The timing is later today. Likely we're going to be quiet all day, just cold again. Temperatures in the teens early, then getting up to just above freezing. Probably a high of around 34 today. It's late in the day when the opportunity for that snow is going to be with us. So you see, winter weather advisories now have been issued, and it does include Wake County. That's different from yesterday. And along 95 corridor and points eastward, this is a winter storm warning. That's where we think that we could see potentially upwards of 2 to 4 inches of snowfall. So let's time it out for you with Predictor Forecast model. Still suggesting that the farther western counties would get snow first. This is kind of an outlier model, but regardless, some areas could be seeing some snow moving in, and the timing would be late afternoon through the early evening hours. Likely it's going to be already dark when this starts to happen. And again, anything that falls, the ground's so cold now, this is going to stick right away. It's not like a lot of times we have warmer days leading up to a winter event and then it melts on the roads and the roads are wet for a while. I don't think that'll be the case here. I think it's going to stick pretty easily. And then by midnight or so, notice we're seeing the back edge of it. And then by the time we get to around 2 or 3 in the morning, we're pretty much done here, but it's continuing down east where they could see some impressive totals when it's all said and done. So we think a less than an inch up to an inch potentially around the triangle, 1 to 3 along that 95 corridor, and then some areas 2 to 4 inches, and there could be a few locations that get upwards of 6 inches of snowfall, but that's probably going to be out of our viewing area. So around the triangle, the model suggesting it's later rather than sooner when that chance of snow is going to be moving on in. So, a lot of folks are probably going to want to try and get home just a little bit sooner so you're not stuck on the roads. Look at the temperatures. We're talking single digits and low teens right now. 15 in Fayetteville, 9 in Roxborough, 7 in Sanford. Incredibly cold right now. No breeze out there really, but you see the clouds increasing. We'll see those clouds really thicken up as we go through the day today. And then that snow is going to start a little bit later on. And then once the snow moves out of here, we stay cold. 33 tomorrow and then below freezing for a couple of days. So any snow that falls could be with us for a while. And then by Sunday, getting above freezing around 37.